The Hortillonnages of Amiens are a large group of gardens surrounded by canals. They are situated in France, 150 kilometers north of Paris. The emergence of these gardens was enabled through the river Somme, which meets the river Louvre 3 kilometers east of Amiens. La Somme created a marshy valley which existed until the 16th century. That's why, in 1542, the locals started agriculture in this area. To turn the wetlands into a ground suitable for agriculture, they built a network of canals, which created a large allotment of islands. On these islands, they produced vegetables and fruits for hundreds of years. However, since the beginning of the 20th century, agriculture declined in the area due to the development of refrigerated transport. The gardeners' population has decreased over the years. In 1900, there were 950 gardeners in the area, and today there are only 7. The Hortillonnage gradually became a recreation area for the city inhabitants and an area of touristic activities. 120,000 tourists visit the area each year. The touristic character of the area stimulated the production of flowers in the gardens. The area of the Hortillonnage consists of 3 elements. The wider public canals are called rieux. The narrow canals are called fossés. These private canals are the only way to reach the gardens. The islands themselves are called aires. These are divided into multiple parcels. These islands provide a unique character to the landscape. Today, a few of them are used as vegetable gardens, orchards, and weekend gardens. A large number of them have turned into wilderness. The crops which are produced in the Hortillonnage include salads, radishes, carrots, onions, cabbages, potatoes, and artichokes. In the past, the produced crops were sold at a floating market. Gardener families transported their goods using boats. Nowadays, the market takes place once a year in memory of an old tradition.